You're filming members of the public going to police stations. You're saying it's for the public interest. You're making members of the public's life worse, aren't you? It's not making my life worse. You have an answer?
I don't have an answer, mate.
Right, but do you not think that's the case?
Stop trying to like criminalise legal activities. Like.
Criminalise, I'm speaking to you.
You are.
I'm asking you a question and all you can do is shake your head.
Well, mate, I don't have to answer questions, do I?
Do you have a case at the court or something?
No, I don't have the case to go to court. I'm not a criminal. Never been charged in my life.
Okay. But I just don't know why you'd want to film members of the public. It's not even like it's a police entrance.
Footage courtesy of the Koleeberks, link in description. Subscribe to Law Lines, where real accountability begins. This audit exposes what happens when authority meets a lens it can't control. Calm truth hits harder than raised voices. Public land, public camera, protected expression. The sergeant realizes the ground beneath him isn't law, it's assumption.
Oh God. Alright, yeah, so she was trying to duck out of the way of the camera. I think she thought that I didn't clock her, but did you see her? Did you see her clocking me? Anyway, I'm gonna pick this back up when we got some, if we get any.
Surprise turns to unease the moment the camera appears. Routine breaks, authority adjusts. The audit starts before a single word is spoken.
The activities, so stay tuned. Thank you. I'm doing a video.
For
Just doing a video. Yeah. Well, who are you? Are you police?
yes, I am.
Do you identify yourself? You're just some lady in random clothes. I don't know who you are. I don't know who you are. You're asking questions like, who are you? Well, I'm not the one asking questions.
Purpose becomes their obsession, but rights stand without explanation. Public space doesn't belong to the badge.
Nothing's going on. Everything's fine.
Is everything alright?
Everything's fine. Are you okay?
I'm good, thank you, sir.
Are you recording?
I am recording.
Why are you recording?
I'm recording.
Why are you recording?
Because
How dare
you're recording,
you?
I'm recording.
How dare you record?
Why? I have the right to record just as you do.
I know, I suppose, yeah. I'm glad you said it. So we done then?
What's the situation?
Nothing.
Why are you outside?
You're very pretty, miss.
Thank you, sir, but why are you outside? What's going on?
The camera moves freely, untouched by authority. No lines crossed, no rules broken, yet tension grows. Sometimes silence shows more discomfort than words ever could.
Can I help you at all?
I'll get your phone number.
No, sir.
Why not?
4999, that's my number. 101, non-emergency.
101, yeah? And then I'll ask for what? 2246.
That's me, yeah.
Oh, cool. Are we done?
I'll just come and see if you're alright.
I'm fine, yeah, I'm really well. Thank you. You've been very polite, thank you, yeah.
Yeah? Why are you outside, can I ask?
Just filming, yeah.
You're just filming the station?
Just trying to catch all the beautiful police ladies coming out of the station.
Oh, okay.
The back gate reveals what policing prefers: hidden, not restricted, not private, just sensitive. Sensitivity isn't law.
Yeah.
So you're trying to catch the beautiful police officers coming out the station?
Yeah. So far I'm doing well so far, but...
Why is that? Can I ask?
Because it's a hobby.
It's a hobby, so you just want to catch police officers coming outside the station?
Not exactly. No, the real reason is just filming for matters of public interest.
So what's the public interest?
The public are interested.
Stillness, under pressure, exposes insecurity. Knowledge, it disrupts the assumption of control. The officer searches for authority he doesn't have.
I appreciate the public interest in police officers, but I will just say, I mean, you're probably on the side of the public. Yeah.
I'm not on any sort of side.
Well,
I didn't think there were sides.
You care about the public, and you.
I care about the public. I care about the police.
Okay. What I would say is, people can film police officers. That's not a problem.
Yeah.
If we're going about our job, that's fine. But you being here, it's not really affecting us as police officers. No, I'm just saying it's affecting members of the public who want to come to a police station. And I mean, I don't know anything about your life. I don't know anything about your family.
The same rules apply to them. Like,
I know.
Anything I can see from public.
If you wanted to go to a police station,
sure.
When answers run out, hierarchy steps in. More badges, same uncertainty. Numbers don't strengthen the law.
You want it to be confidential or something, you want someone filming you, or if it was someone in your family,
right,
going to there for sometimes
they're not exempt from being filmed though.
I'm talking to you, right? This isn't about being exempt.
Well, you're trying to give me a lesson or something, like.
I'm talking to you like an adult, yeah? Right. Is that right? Is that
It just
fair?
feels like I'm being lectured or something.
I'm saying, would you like a member of your family to be filmed going into a police station?
Doesn't matter what I like. At the end of the day, you haven't got any privacy in public. At the end of the day,
But I'm saying, what would you think?
Doesn't matter what I think, mate. I'm here, I'm doing it.
But would you like it to happen to you, or a member of your?
Rank replaces reason, or tries to. Confidence meets reality, one question at a time. The turning point is his hesitation, not his authority.
I couldn't care less, mate. Unless I had something to hide or something, I couldn't care less.
Well, some people might not want people.
If they're victims of crime or something like that,
exactly,
then I would understand that.
So that's the people going there.
Just use it for my own recreation.
And what would that be? Your own recreation? What
Just
would that be?
my own recreation.
So, I mean, people are coming
You know, I don't have to answer questions.
People are coming out here are victims of crime.
Okay, well, I'll try not to put the camera on them.
You're literally.
Purpose doesn't determine permission. Rights aren't granted, they're inherent. He asks again, hoping repetition creates authority.
It's not making my life better. You have an answer?
I don't have an answer, mate.
Right, but do you not think that's the case?
Stop trying to like criminalise legal activities. Like.
Criminalise, I'm speaking to you. I'm asking you a question and all you can do is shake your head.
Well, mate, I don't have to answer questions, do I?
Do you have a case at the court or something?
No, I don't have the case to go to court. I'm not a criminal. Never been charged in my life.
Well, I just don't know why you'd want to film members of the public. It's not even like it's a police entrance where you're filming police.
Clear. Calm law dissolves the tension instantly. Article 10 protects filming without permission. Authority feels the balance. Shifts to
film members of the public going to a police station. That's what you're filming. That's an entrance to the members of the public.
You're kind of making like some like supposed like narrative that I haven't got.
No,
You're saying that I want to film members of the public. I couldn't care less about what members of the public are doing.
Who uses entrance.
I don't want to film members of the public, mate.
That's who you're filming.
All right, let me stay out of the way of the entrance. I mean, if that's the case you're making, then I'll respect it and I'll try not to.
You can see that's where members of the public enter the police station to go.
Mate, I can film members of the public in public.
I'm not saying.
I can film members of the public in public. I can film members of the public in public. What?
I said that's what people are using.
Security becomes the fallback when law isn't known. Unclear. Claims replace clear rules. Yet, suspicion without evidence is nothing.
There is victims that they come here to report serious crime, but they do not want to be on any video whatsoever. So we really appreciate. I mean, you're more than welcome to record if that makes you happy and that's what you want to do. But please just try to respect people who's trying here to come.
Thank you for respecting my rights as well. I appreciate that.
So that's all I can say to you.
Thank you.
But understand why we are all here, because obviously we
Sure.
we have a duty of care.
Sure.
It doesn't look really normal for someone to be recording outside the police station.
I understand.
Yeah.
Become the substitute excuse. If the public can see it, the public can film it. Comfort doesn't override rights.
Hello.
I'm a sergeant here.
Hello, Sergeant. Would you identify yourself?
Listen, Sergeant Smith.
Okay.
Basically, obviously, there's no powers to stop you filming. I'd ask you to stop, just because, as my colleague said, people are coming in sometimes to report.
Yeah, mate, I'm not going to be here all day. Like, I haven't.
I hope you have better things to do.
Yeah. I'd hope so as well.
I don't see the point of what you're doing. I'd like to think that it's not malicious.
It's not.
And although slightly obnoxious, you're not being.
Strength isn't loud, it's precise. Calm confidence reveals the cracks in their argument. Authority softens when knowledge stands firm.
Antagonised about, I mean, so it's not. It would be rude of me to then deliberately film members of the public and whatnot, you know. So, anyway.
Are you willing to provide your details to us?
No.
You don't want to? No dramas. All right, we'll leave you to it for the time being.
Thank you, sir.
But as I said, just please be respectful.
All right, no worries. In a bit. You done asking questions?
What's that?
You done asking questions?
Well, it's the same questions that we were just talking about, wasn't it?
The sergeant's just dealt with it.
Yeah, and we were saying we don't want you to film people coming in and out, which I think is fair.
Alright.
Yeah?
Like I said, I'm not going to out of politeness, yeah? Alright, mate.
Warnings without law collapse under their own noise. The tone rises. The legal footing doesn't. The conflict begins to fold. Article 10 protects filming police stations from public ground. No permission needed. Pace requires real, evidence-based suspicion before asking for details. Security concerns are not legal grounds to detain, restrict, or demand ID.
Just speak to you at the moment, so...
You're getting warm pretty quickly, so fair play.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well,
He's a bright one.
Until we speak to you, we don't know what for. You know, that's the thing.
It's not anything malicious. I'm sure you can quickly determine that it's not anything malicious, to be fair.
Oh, okay.
Well, I don't know, can you? I mean...
Well, you seem like a nice fella.
I'm okay, I'm alright, to be honest.
You're having a chat with me, there doesn't seem to be any massive problems.
I'm not,
All it is we're here to obviously put the concerns to bed, that you're not here to plan anything or do anything.
No.
Tone shifts when the law stands firm. Pressure fades once authority hits its limits. Clarity replaces confrontation.
It's just to have a conversation.
Of course.
There's people obviously in and around the neighbourhood that are worried that someone stood outside the police station.
I'm not going to be here all day, mate, to be honest. I mean, once we're done talking, I'll probably head off, to be honest, mate. Yeah, I don't want to waste your time or anything. I'm sure you've got more important things to be doing, so...
Yeah, have a conversation, mate. At the end of the day, that's what my job. I come out and...
Yeah, but I'm not committing a crime, to be fair, so you're probably better off trying to... do you know what I mean? Go after people committing crime.
Silence becomes the safest choice. Distance admits what words wouldn't. The argument ends without them saying it.
For whatever reason you're doing it for.
Yeah.
But essentially, it could get picked up and someone who does want to do something. Does that make sense?
Well, not really, because I did explain the whole Google Maps analogy. So
yeah, I know. Google Maps.
And they can spend all day watching that and rotating it and seeing.
Well, they can only do so much in terms of private roads and stuff. It depends how out of date it is. I don't know when the last time the Google car came through here and did its thing. It could be 2016 or whatever. So you're obviously giving up to date footage. But I'm just wanting to know.
Contemporary rights asserted become rights respected. The perimeter becomes a lesson in accountability. The camera moves without resistance.
Identify yourself and whatnot, so thought that was a bit odd.
Is it the police officers as well you're trying to talk to? Seem like you're...
I didn't engage with anyone. They engage with me, so
okay.
It's
and as long as
it's
a polite conversation, you're happy to have a chat.
Yeah, I'm always happy to have a chat, mate. Like, I'm not here like I explained to your sergeant. I'm not here to antagonise anyone or anything like that. I have spoken to someone, yeah. Yeah.
The station stands unchanged, but not unchallenged. Another audit completed, another truth recorded. Exposure lasts longer than the footage.
The sergeant, yeah. Like I said, if we're done, then I'll be on my way.
Well, like we're saying, so we're just trying to establish what you're out for. How long have you been out here for?
It's like literally 15 minutes.
10 minutes, and you've just been... Did you go into the front office at all?
No.
No.
I mean, I can if I want to. I can go in there.
It's not a problem. So all it is, like I said, we just got the report out. If you bear with me 1 minute, I'll just see what they're saying, and if there's no issues.
Well, can I not just go now?
Silence returns, but not the same silence as before. Once filmed, a place can't hide behind routine. The camera leaves. The accountability stays. Authority fails when it forgets the law. Knowledge is the real badge of power. If you believe in accountability, share this video. Subscribe to Lawlines. Your support keeps the truth alive. The more we film, the more the public sees clearly.